how to enter homework and quiz responses. The homework and quiz program is smart. It can grade your homework and quiz assignments immediately, so you can see how you did right away. But it can be dumb. If you're directed to enter answer as an integer, avoid typing x equals before that integer. So if the answer is -5, type -5. It's important to enter homework and quiz answers as directed, as this can avoid frustration in the class when you've entered an answer that is very similar to the correct one, but that the program will not accept. Again, the program is smart, but it can be dumb. If your answer is related to a dollar amount, you might be tempted to use a $sign or whatever currency is indicated before the number. Please don't do that, because the program directs you to enter your answer as an integer. It's the last thing that is written as a part of the question, so that's where you can look for it. If the answer is $2,500 and that indicates $2,500, avoid typing in a $sign before that integer. When asked to enter the answer as an integer, type just that integer, short and simple. Don't type anything that's not asked for. You probably wrote out some steps of your work before arriving at your final answer. But when you're writing out your work, which is a great idea, it's a good way to get questions correct, you want to identify what you consider to be the final answer. And that's the only thing you're going to type in when you're working on your homework and your quiz. On your homework and quizzes, type only the final answer. So if the answer is 12x, you want to type the number 1, no space, the number 2, no space, and then an x, no space. You cannot put 12 space x and expect the program to know what you mean. So remember, don't type anything that's not asked for. When you complete the homework, which you can do as many times as desired, take note of how correct answers are inputted. To succeed in this class with the least frustration, use that as a model when taking the quiz. When you're directed to input an integer, remember to type that number only. Here, the correct answer is -2. Just type -2, no spaces. You can succeed in math, and an eye for detail makes this journey smoother.